Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2004 Hot Wheels. Today we have a first editions, number 76 of 100, Mad Propz. And this is number 76 on the year. And number 78, looks like. Nope, that's 76. So it's 76 out of 100 on the first editions. Hot 100. Copyright 2003. Alright, this is like my third one opening up on the channel. I don't think I did it at the table in the backyard though. Number 77. Always cool when the propeller goes. There's a little wheel right there too. And it is all metal. The chrome look right there is plastic, but the gray you see here, the Zamac, and the gray here, they're all metal. Wings metal. Does it actually roll? It seems to swirl on that back wheel. Alright, so it's not something that just rolls straight, but at least it has wheels. That's kind of cool. Does it fit on the track to keep it straight? No, not really. Does it fly? Does it drift? Does it drift? It's donuts. Oh, right on the line. Yeah. Well, be good for flying. Ready? Well, it's still going into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. I have 3 of them. I might end up keeping my favorite of the 3. It's not one of my favorite cars or planes, airplane. But it was fun to open, fun to play with, fun to check out. Always like moving parts too. These mosquitoes are really getting me right now. That might be my last video of the day. Oh, it's a wipeout. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again. T10 out.